To what?
To record you making a fart sound.
No, that's not right.
You're not gonna do it?
How can you do it? Like, I can't. How do you do a fart sound?
I thought you were just gonna do a real one, to be honest.
Why can't I do a fart sound? You do it. Oh. Alright, hold on. A stage fright, hold on. Like that? This is too hard.
This is great.
I can't.
I think you got it. You're like trying to whistle.
Wait, don't record this.
I got to. At this point, we're 45 seconds in.
Okay. Let me try now. Can you hear me talking?
Totally.
What if I whistle? Hold on.
Yeah. Yep. I didn't hear that last part. Yep.